Hey guys, it's Liz from Makartt, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods to apply polygel. These methods are beginner friendly and they're perfect for anyone interested in trying out polygel.
So first you'll need slip solution, tips, base and top coat, and a blending brush. The first method is the clip method. First, we'll apply the base coat to protect the natural nail and keep it from staining. Next, we'll apply the polygel directly on the nail. Make sure to use a large enough amount to evenly distribute it. Then you're going to take your dual form and press down at an angle until it is evenly spread out. Make sure not to make it too thin so it's not translucent when it comes off. Then we're going to take our brush and clean up the edges, moving the polygel underneath the dual form. Take your nail clip and place it right on the cuticle to hold the dual form in place. Once that's done, you'll clean up underneath the dual form and smooth out the polygel using the blending brush until it is nice and even. Make sure not to make it too thin. After smoothing and curing, carefully remove the dual form, and the polygel should stay right in place. Then we're going to grab our nail file and carefully file it into the shape we want. Apply your top coat and cure. The second method is the dual form method. Apply the polygel directly on the inside of the dual form and smooth it out with a slip solution and brush. Then, carefully apply the dual form onto the nail. Now take your brush and slip solution and clean up any remaining polygel around the cuticles. Cure the nail, then carefully remove the dual form. File to your desired shape. In this look, we'll be doing square. Apply the top coat and cure. The third method is the overlay method. Use your natural nail or glue on a plastic tip and apply the base coat. Apply the polygel directly on top of the nail bed. Make sure to use a good amount. Using your brush and slip solution, smooth out the surface of the nail and then cure. File to sharpen the edges, then apply your top coat. The fourth method is the Femi beauty method, also known as the lazy girl method. This method is used to skip the step of smoothing the texture of the polygel. Apply your base coat and then apply the polygel underneath your plastic nail tip. Then spread it evenly across the nail using the brush and slip solution. Apply the tip directly on the bed of the nail. Press down firmly. Clean up the cuticles and then cure. Then file to your desired shape. In this look, we're doing stiletto. Once you're done with that, apply the top coat and you're already done.
Thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or comment down below. Bye!